Now we are 8 o'clock in the morning. We stuck here in location. There is a lot of swamp around us. There is a river close by here, and I decided to build a raft so we can bypass this swamp. I'm going to show you how we're going to build a raft. Move. I want a videographer.
If there was something going on, like somebody's doing a task, Mickey would get in the way and pretend for a few camera moments that he was doing it.
It's like a camera or video directors in some point.
He was yelling cut like a director.
Yes.
Cut. Timber!
You know, you could tell that he was trying to make the Mickey show.
Come here to zoom in. I want all angles. All angles.
Okay, I'm recording now.
This is Mickey Grossman, Amazon 5000 expedition, and this is Amazon 5000 raft.
We spent a day building a raft.
Did you enjoy the rafting? Was that kind of like more fun than hiking?
Yeah. Different muscle, right? I got to use a different muscle for a while, and we had to coordinate our rowing.
We have to navigate now.
We just flow downstream. It was around 5 p.m. and we just get on the shore.
It's gonna be the end of the day today. Quiet, nobody here, no civilization, nothing. Beautiful place. Now it's 1800. Still light. We find empty space so we can camp over here by the river.
We set our camp, and suddenly I heard thunder, and it started raining around 11 p.m.
I want to save the equipment!
All right, I'm recording.
Photo everyone, pay attention, don't look at me. 1, 2, 3. 5 o'clock in the morning, and suddenly the river rised up, and unbelievable, it's a flood. Look if you see my shoes flooding. Can you bring the raft? It's a big mistake to sleep here, and you don't want to listen to me. You don't want to lose the stuff over here. Rápido, hombre. This is the location exactly that we slept 5 minutes ago. And you see the water up here. All the satellite phone and emergency stuff here. If this gonna be wet, we f***ed off. Here, you got the raft? Come, pick up the light. See the water here rising? Hey, cut the rope, cut the rope.
We're gonna cut it. Hold on tight.
You have to cut it. We're going without any direction. We are in the river now. In the river. And the raft is floating to the river. And we don't know where we're going.